This video will show you to solve any problem of keyboard or keypads. Some keypads is not working. Button. Let me show you how to solve it. First, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not working. It's not working well. 7, 8, it's not working. 8 is not working. 9 is not working. Hash is not working. 0 is not working. And star. So we are going to solve these problems. How to do it? It's very easy. Follow me step by step. Open it. We have two methods to repair these problems. You have to check this button with multimeter. You have to clean here very well. You have to clean that button on keyboard on this motherboard. Clean with toothbrush and petrol. After you've cleaned it, that is the first method. If that first method is not working, we have to second method. Second method, you have to check it. After check it with multimeter, you can jump with them. So let us see if the second method will solve these problems. Remember to clean. But you have to notice that after cleaning this paper, it will not, or carpet, it will not go there again because you have removed any glue. So you can add some glue, but careful, don't add in buttons points. And you can go use hot iron or a hot gun to fix this problem. As you see, it is not catching well, so I'm going to show you how to do it. The carpet. So we have to put new one from another mobile phone, or to use glue, or to use hot iron or hot gun. This is a new one from another device. You can add it will change. And if you don't have another to change, no problem, don't worry. You can use that old one. How to use old one? If it still don't have any glue, as you see, the button is working well. So let me bring back the old carpet to show you how you will do it if you don't have another carpet. So how to do it? This is hot gun. Pass like that. Careful. Don't use it in button points. As you see, I'm not getting button points. As it like that. That's okay. It's okay. Zero is working. So let us test. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, star 0 hash. Yes, okay, it's okay. The problem already solved. It's very easy. Thank you for watching. Remember to invite your friends and your family and your relatives.